Alright, so this was the 44 Magnum and the AR-15. See, that's a 44 Magnum bullet, 44 caliber, and that was a 223 22 caliber. I'm sure you're all familiar with that, but I was just showing it, and I'll show you all what it's doing on the back side of the cabin. Busted glass from my fill gauge from the last time. I'm trying to squeeze through here. Alright. So that was my AR. And then this was the AR and the 44. And as you can see, there's some other spots where the bullets are going through. That was from my AR-15. And you can see there where I hit it with the M1A last time. There's a big old good group right here with the M1A from last time. And these bullets, the 44s and the 223s, they are coming through and hitting these trees back here. See, they've split that one in two, nipped that one there, nipped that one there. That was a 223, went through there, and it hit that there. And I'm sure there's more damage that you could see that I'm not seeing right now back through here. And oh yeah, it split a limb right there. Yeah, right there. That's pretty impressive in my opinion. Although it's to be expected, and it cut one right here in two. And me and my dad, a moment ago, in between the shooting, we went back through here along this path. Probably gonna get cut up. There's a bunch of burr thickets back through here. And they was a hitting trees back in here and limbs. Let me see if I can find that one. There's one, but yeah, right here. So either a 44 or a 223 came zipping through here this far back. See, there's the old cabin right there. Came zipping through this far back and nipped that. And I think there was one more back here that it nipped. I can't quite recall that well. But they're heading back through this way. In fact, I think there's some bullet holes on this tree. Probably from long gone day. But they're coming, sailing through back here. So that just rings more to the truth of know your target and what's behind it. There ain't nobody back through that way. It's just trees and stuff, woods. And that's good enough. Well, we'll go back to shooting some more. I'm about to turn the camera off. Wait, let me get to the other side of you. Alright. Alright. Say when.
Say when. Let it rip.
We killed the old demon cockroach. Woo! That's a lot of racket and a whole lot of cockroach killing.